Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In English of class 3, in our previous lecture, we have studied part 2, and today we will discuss the activity 2. Take out your vision books and open up page number 55. We will do the activity. Activity 2 is on page number 55. You have to solve this activity with the help of a pencil in your vision book. Who said the following words? I am hot and my throat hurts. Who said this? Yes, Anum said this. Write out Anum in front of sentence A. A-N-U-M, Anum. Now look at the statement B. You look like a giant red plum. Who said this? Asim. C. She has 102-degree temperature. Who said this? Yes, Anam's mother said this because she checked her temperature. D. Can I be of any help? Who asked this? Yes, Anam's brother. Who was Anam's brother? Yes, Asim said this. Can I be of any help? Write down Asim. E. Telephone Dr. Hamza. Who said this? Mother said this to Asim, that telephone Dr. Hamza. Now, we are done with the activity. Note down your homework. Do activity 2 on page number 55. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.